I'm Josh with Stahls, and in this video I'm going to tell you the top 3 things that you need to know about CAD-CUT Chroma Bling heat transfer vinyl. Number 1, CAD-CUT Chroma Bling stands out on the garment. This is a product that has a high sheen metallic finish, but if you look up close, it actually has glitter particles inside of the material as well. It's completely unique in how it's designed, and it'll create something on the garment that your customer hasn't seen before. So it's a product that you can show and you can sell to be able to stand out from your competition. The second thing that you need to understand about CAD-CUT Chroma Bling, and it's really important, is that the color shifts and changes based on the garment that it's applied to. Look at this. There's one color in Chroma Bling as of producing this video. Here's that color on a black fabric, and here's that same exact design on a white fabric. And it would change on every color in between. But the color shifts a little bit, so you'll want to make sure that you experiment with this product onto different colors of fabrics because it creates some really cool results. And that's the third thing that I really want you to hear, is that using this product on a variety of colors is a way to keep something unique and different for your customers. So take this idea. It's the third thing I want you to know. Consider using the same logo in Chroma Bling for a group, a team, whatever, and varying it across different colors of garments in the same style. I've seen this work tremendously well for things like teacher appreciation gifts. It adds some standard element that's consistent across all of the pieces to tie them all, the brand together, but it allows everybody to express their individuality and have something just slightly different. I think CAD-CUT Chroma Bling is a really cool product that you can be creative with to grow sales in your business.